G'day, my name's Dominic, and welcome to Modification Station.
Hello everybody, Trackmaster 2016 back again, and welcome to a episode of Modification Station. Today we're going to be looking at Lorenzo and Beppe, because I modified them, and I'm very happy to be showing them off. Wait a minute, Frankie, what are you doing? Why in the world do you have Harold the helicopter? Not supposed to have him hooked onto your hook there, but I guess he wants us to take a look at what I've done to modify him. Thank you, Craigie. You can go back to work now. So what I've done to Harold is not actually a modified deal, but I found out a little trick you guys in the Thomas fandom can use when you guys are doing stories, doing the episodes and all that. Just a neat little trick. I don't know if I'm the only one that does this, but just figured it out a couple of nights ago. What I do is I take a bit of fishing line, hopefully you guys can see that, and put it around two blades. Then what I do is I take them and spin them around real fast, like that, and then you get this neat little trick. Isn't that neat? So that there was Harold. Alright, so let's get into the main part of Modification Station. Today we have Lorenzo and Beppe here, and if I can get them uncoupled here. These hook and chain couplers are sometimes bothersome. Alright, so all I've theoretically done was add his front wheels at the front, and that's about it on there. I think I detailed, oh yeah, I detailed these little side tanks here. May need to detail these in silver as well, if they are silver, these parts here. So I've done that on both sides as well, and gave them big wheels up the front. Still haven't fixed that blemish there, but I can try to fix that in the future. Now I want to talk about his tender. I can get everything in focus again. Okay. Now a lot of people I've seen been saying, "Oh yeah, just turn the tender around, turn the tender around." Well, look how silly that looks. It doesn't look like the real tender to me. That's what it looks like to me. It looks like, you know, that's where the people stand to put a coal in there or get the coal out or something. That's what it looks like to me. I may be wrong, but that's what it looks like to me. I think there might have been an older design rather than it just being the newer tinder than it looking like that. Because to me it looks, I think what it is, it's, you know, it's too low to me. It doesn't look right to me. That just doesn't look right to me. It may to you, I don't know, but it just doesn't look right to me. I think what it is this bit here is a little bit too big. It needs to be a bit lower. I think what they could have done was they could have taken this here, put it down here, that way it would have fit, and two, shortened this a whole lot. Shortened it a lot. I think this is what they could have done, but I'm going to have it that way there. That way it looks like that original tender. I am going to try to put the details on the back of it. I haven't done that yet, but I need to soon. So yeah, that's my 5 cents on the tender. Just wanted to show you guys that. I also wanted to show off a couple more customs. What I've done is I've taken some trucks here, some old trucks that I don't really use, and I made some 4-plank. Hold on a second, gotta look under it. Oh dear, look, pipes dropping. 5-plank and 4-plank trucks. So we have a 5-plank and a 4-plank truck, one with pipes and another with coal, or I can put scrap in there or anything. They're just troublesome trucks that are cut down. So you guys can see here, just chopped off some of the sides. So I have a little bit more variety of trucks on the layout. Very nice looking. Also, you guys can see in the back here, I have a scrap tender that I've made. I don't know if I showed this off, but if I did, I'm sorry if I'm showing it off again. So we have the scrap tender update. Here put some, lettering and all that. Elmer's Fowler, 3600 gallon, and some random numbers, scrap and all that. Keep off and BR and all that. Just put some random stuff all over it there. Kind of nice, actually. So yeah, that says my custom scrap tendon update there. Looks nice. Can't wait to have it in the scrapyard set. Coming in, I think September or something for a video. And I think that's about it. So we're going to get back to the run. Right, here we go. Modified Lorenzo. So there goes Modified Lorenzo making his rounds along the track again. If I can get him in focus. There we go. With his bogey wheel and his tender. Beppe. Alright, thank you guys for watching this episode of Modification Station. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps. Tell me down in the comment section what you guys think of Harold, Lorenzo and Beppe and the scrap cars and the 4 and 5 plank trucks. Thanks for watching.
The train arriving at platform 1 is the 15 service from Knapford to Vickerstown.
Hello, I'm Gordon. If you want to watch more videos, click on these links here. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Express coming through!